Well, I would like to change my travel.
Your travel?
Yes, I want to change my travel.
You need a car, babe.
Hello guys, how are you? Long time no see. My name is Ramzi Jumal. Ardayday kusoo wada dhawaada. This is Iqra College. So, maanta waxaan la joogaa coach.
Abdulrazak, my name is Coach Abdulrazak. Nice to meet you all.
Good. Waxaan maanta qabanaynay taskiska inala diray ee bugaagtiina ku jira ayaan isku daynaa inaan practice ka samayno si for example ahaana aad noola wada socotiin. So, coach, su'aasha koowaad baan ku weydiinayaa.
Okay.
Talk about your daily routine.
Oh, my daily routine is very, very packed. I do a lot of sort of things. For example, early in the morning, I wake up early in the morning at around 5 a.m. At 5 a.m., I pray my Fajr prayer. After I pray my Fajr prayer, I always eat breakfast very early. I eat breakfast around at 6 o'clock. When I eat breakfast, I come to work. I come to work by bus or taxi. When I come to work, I start my daily routine working and teaching new lot students. After that, when it's midday, I get lunch. I go back home, get lunch, and then at 3, I come back in the afternoon, finish my lessons, then I go home at 7:30. At 7:30, I stay at home, play with my family, then I go to sleep early. I always try my best to go to sleep at 9 or 10. Then I repeat my daily routine. But there's a difference sometimes. On the weekends, I change it. On the weekends, I like to get in most sleep. So I try wake up for Fajr, I wake up at 5, eat my breakfast, go back to sleep. And my weekends, I usually go out with my family. I try take them to places, take my kids to parks, then we come back, eat lunch as a family, and we stay together. That's my weekend routine.
That's very good, coach. Well, for me, I always wake up around 5 a.m. After I wake up, I either like breakfast, sometimes I skip breakfast. So I go to my work. After I finish my work around midday, I go back to my home, I eat my lunch, and I really like to sleep around midday. I sleep for about 2-3 hours. After I woke up, I come to Iqra.
Okay.
I finish my shift. I go home around 8. After I go home around 8, I go with my friends. I stay with my friends. I like to play games with them.
Okay.
I like to chit chat, talk, and afterwards, I like to sleep a little late. You know.
Sleep late?
Yeah, I sleep late. I like to sleep around 11 to 12. So
I have a question for you.
Yes, coach.
Which one's healthier, to sleep early or to sleep late?
Well, I believe sleeping early is better for the mind and the body. But personally, I like sleeping late. It's personal, okay?
Do you plan to change that in the future?
I really don't plan to change it, you know. I really like it. But it's different on the weekend. On the weekend, I really like to get a lot of sleep. So on the weekends, I like to sleep around 10 p.m. and I really like to get like around 19 hours of sleep.
He's a sleepyhead.
I'm a sleephead,
Yes.
man. I really like my naps.
He
you know?
really likes his naps.
Yeah. But wait, can you explain to them what does sleepyhead mean?
Sleepyhead is someone that always sleeps and does not like to wake up. In the morning he's sleeping, nighttime he's sleeping, daytime he's sleeping. So Ramzi is a sleepyhead. He sleeps a lot. As you look and see, that's how to answer the question. أنا معنا Ramzi سان which وابني وطبت لقى دونيو إنك كتشوبت. Talk about your daily routine. حاد قبتها ستشوكتها during the week. معلومها للشقية تضبطك. On the weekend معلومها فسح ليها. waxaan doonaynaa dhammaan ardayda Iqra online iyo offline ba hataa tihiin su'aasha inaad caynka ka jawaabtaan su'aalaha xigana inaad kalsoonida iyo hadalka ku jawaab. And our main focus is not for you to become a native speaker in 2 days. It's something you need to tell something called quality. Marka we need you lot to get the quality tayada inay ka muuqato. Inshallah we'll do our best to teach you. You do your best to learn. Confidence ka hawada geeya and make sure you try your best. Anything else?
Yeah, coach. waxaan kale nigu oran lahayn Englishku waa luqad aad iyo aad u ballaaran laguma degdego. Take your time, be easy, be happy with it, you know. Just try to learn as much as you can while having fun with it. luqadan aad ku faraxsanayn oo aad waqtiga ku faraxsanayn hobby ahaan ula dhaqmayn si fiican barin kalimaysid. So we're waiting for you, we're waiting for your answers.
Okay, thank you very much.